in today's video, I'm here with Connor.
What's up, guys?
And we are on the way to the grocery store because we're gonna be making chocolate covered strawberries. We're gonna go to the store and get some better strawberries and some white chocolate.
Excited, let's get to it.
Alright, we're back from Wegmans. It was so hectic.
So crowded.
I've literally never seen it that crowded in my life.
No, I don't really come here, but I was very crowded.
I don't know if it's because the day it's before Valentine's Day, but like, what do you even need?
And isn't it supposed to be bad weather? So maybe people were trying to sell
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to be bad weather tonight.
Either way, everywhere as we went, it was
literally.
People.
But we got what we needed. We got strawberries. I think it's a good size pack.
No, yeah, they were actually
with the good ones in there.
Not a single bad one in here. Not a single.
And then we were worried because we couldn't find any white chocolate, but I think maybe someone put some back when we went
that's
back.
my guess. I think.
Yeah,
maybe that one guy came around and restocked.
Yeah, we like asked a worker, but got the white chocolate, and now we're headed back, and we'll show you when we start making them.
Move backwards. You're not in the camera.
Oh.
So move backwards. You're not in the camera. Hey.
Also, merch link down below. Little angel. Link in description.
Sir. Am I in the camera? I feel like half my head is off. Am I in?
So like we showed you, we have the strawberries and the white chocolate, and then we also have, this one's milk actually, but then we also may just use the rest of these like semi-sweet because that's what it called for. There's not like too many left of these, so we'll just use these ones too. And then we have some coconut oil because I guess if you mix this in with the chocolate, it just makes it like easier to
do so, yeah?
Yeah, to dip the strawberries.
You have just red
Sprinkles.
Just red sprinkles. It's pinkish or it's peppermint?
Oh, I guess it is peppermint.
Peppermint. Well,
it's
we got
white.
Peppermint, it's new to us.
This is some focus.
We got the white sprinkles right here and the silver ones as well. 4 different types here.
Yeah, so we looked up a recipe on Delish.
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 That's delish.
Oh, delish. First, we need to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper and also rinse the strawberries and pat them dry. So we're just gonna do that now. I feel like it's gonna take a while to wash and dry.
Right?
So
we're using all of them, right?
Yeah. You have to make sure they're pretty dry before you do it, so.
We'll see you in 3 hours.
Medium strainer to put the strawberries in. Lean down.
No.
I'm gonna put the strawberries in the strainer.
I do. They're wet, right? Have they been wetted?
Not yet.
Oh, it's wet in there.
Yeah.
See, I'm learning how to cook here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we don't know if we should title this like baking or cooking because it's not really either.
Yeah, no. The middle ground, I believe.
Oh, I've got a couple mini.
Oh, they fit a lot of them in there, to be fair.
Got them in here, and now we're gonna do this. And look, just kind of.
Innovations, yeah, you got that. Wow, she really drenched them. I think they're wet.
And now we need to put them in a paper towel. All right, got the paper towels. We should probably make one for the bottom and then put another on the top.
Do you want to do actually one, or do you think 2 per one?
Probably 2.
Just put this
oh, and you know what? We should separate them. Like split them in half. One to be dark chocolate and one to be white.
Yeah.
All right, then I'll get another 2. So as the strawberries are, can you see them? They're kind of drying back there.
Okay, yeah. Sorry. Didn't you telling me? I was like, I can see them.
So it says you put 2 cups of chocolate chips in the bowl along with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then you put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's completely melted. We'll try and use the rest of these.
Yeah, might as well.
To fill up a cup. Second cup. All right, so now we have the 2 cups each, and we have to add some coconut oil in. That's what it looks like. So 2 tablespoons. So this is a tablespoon thing. All right, I'll put this in for 30 seconds. Put this thing on the top so it doesn't go anywhere.
Alright, clear. Did you film that? You got it? Okay.
All right, let's see what it looks like. This is it after 30 seconds.
I'm gonna start putting the
coconut oil in the white.
Indeed.
Another 30 seconds later.
Got the coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, right? Tablespoons?
Yes.
That was not very much.
What?
Got it, 2 tablespoons.
Why
oh my
can't
God,
you
I'm not even in. Not even in. Tell you what, I'm really not that tall. I'm really not tall.
He is tall. Don't listen to him.
This is a lying camera. Ooh, woo.
So was that a total of like 2 minutes? It's like the fourth interval.
This is the 4th, yeah, so 2 minutes.
Look how out of focus it is.
Whoa.
Okay, so we're gonna use little forks to dip it in. All right, we just finished the dark chocolate ones. That's what they look like, and they're drying now. Just slide off.
It's just all of them go.
We're just gonna add in some sprinkles. All right, this is what the sprinkled ones are looking like. We did a red and white mixture, and then we're gonna leave these ones to do like a little drizzle on the top. We should probably put these in the fridge, yeah?
Yes, we should. I agree.
So we'll let those cool.
Lovely. Oh, look how nice that looks.
Now we just have to do the same process, but with the white. Colin already mixed the coconut oil.
Probably needs a bit better of a mixing for me on honest. It's kind of hard to tell where it's at, but yeah, I did do that.
With white. Oh, also look how much leftover chocolate we have. 30 seconds is quick. It's like coconut oil everywhere.
Yeah, it just kind of spunk out everywhere. All right, so we got another baking sheet for our strawberries that we're gonna put the white coating on.
Yes, and we also got a little mini bowl to add some red to the white. So we'll put some white in the bowl to make it like pink. And we'll see how that works.
Yeah, definitely. Love it.
Where's the red?
You got it. Ooh. Can you put a little more in? How much do you think?
Probably should another drop.
Oh, there's two. There's two.
That's okay. You want to mix it?
I do indeed. I think the other one was, I mean, it's very similar, but I think it's just a bit more prominent. I feel so sorry for her. Just stabbed it.
Oh no, and a leaf up.
Oh, he's been bloody injured.
Should have put that part on the bottom.
Sorry, I ruined your video.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I ruined your video.
Just eat that one.
Oh, so it's not good enough? Really? I'll just eat it. Right.
Shut up.
I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna get this clip out. What?
Ooh.
Ooh, nah. Whoa, what the heck? They're literally frozen. They froze on us. So you have 6. I have 4 right now.
So you need a couple. You need to stock up.
Or just plain. So this would be 5, 6. You get one more. You just get one more.
Wow. Honestly, we should just drizzle these. They're kind of already hard. You dip your fork in.
And just like drizzle with this?
Yeah. The pink is just already like hard since there wasn't much left in the bowl.
Oh, there's like no chance. There's like very good. Tell you what, that might be the worst attempt ever
It's hard.
seen.
I think that actually looks good. So now should we get the dark ones out?
Let's see. How long do you think they can stay for?
I don't. Let's see what it said. The white chocolate literally like hardened by itself because so we couldn't do any sprinkles on it, but that's good, I guess.
I think they still need one more time.
Yeah. Online it said refrigerate about 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna put these in the fridge too. All right, so it has now been a while. We were a little tired earlier.
Yeah.
And we ate.
Got a bit tired.
It's now dark out, but we finished. They got done cooling. We have 2 actually, and that's what they look like. I think they came out pretty good.
I think they actually came out really good.
There's 2 that like didn't fit on here, so we're gonna try those. 10 out of 10.
Honestly.
I'm sure like the pink and white ones taste a little different, but I like the dark ones.
I would say 10
So
out of 10.
I think they would all be. Yeah, I think 10 out of 10 too.